Hi, so now we are going to make a little Lego brick. Okay, the reason I want to do this is I want to show you two more features. I want to show you the rectangular pattern tool, okay, as well as the shelling tool. Okay, so I'm going to make it slightly enlarged. I've just clicked on new sketch there. I've gone and then clicked onto the actual work plane I wanted to use. Okay, I'm going to zoom in because these here now are 5mm gaps, okay, between each square. So I want to zoom in, okay, using the mouse scroll button until I get these individual ones. So now I'm on 1mm gaps, okay. So I'm going to make this key rectangle 32 by 60, okay, 32mm by 60. Oh, I forgot to press click. Cool. Alright, I'm going to zoom out now, a little bit, not much though, and then I'm going to create, so I'm going to turn it into the actual block first. Okay, I'm bringing that up 30mm. Okay, we're just going to click OK on that. Now this is on here, I'm going to face the top, so I click on the top of here, face it, okay. I'm going to click on this until I'm going to do a new sketch. Okay, and I'm going to zoom in. Then I'm going to go to circle tool, because if we're going to make a little Lego brick, which we are, I would like them to actually have the interconnecting parts on the top as well. So I said this is 32, I did that for a specific reason, so I know now the center point for my Lego brick is going to be 8mm in, okay? And I'm going to do them, yeah, let's do them 12mm in diameter. Okay, so I've done one here, okay. Now, if we go to the actual rectangular pattern, and the object I want to select to repeat is going to be my circle, I can then, it says the distance away is 0 at the moment with a quantity of 3. Well, I actually want a quantity of 2, okay, and the distance I want is actually 16mm, okay, and then that will be a mirror of exact space that the first one's at. Then coming down here, I'm going to stick with 3, and I'm going to bring this down to 40mm, okay? The reason why I'm doing 40 is because I've moved this 10 in here already. So if this is 10, minus the other 10 from the other side, we've got 20 to minus away from the total height of 60, so that's 40. Okay, there we go. Click OK. Right, now we've actually got our shape. I'm going to move it to the side a little bit using the little rotation device up here. Then we're going to create an extrusion. So I click on the parts, all the parts I want to extrude. Okay, bring this up by 5mm, I think it's going to be enough. I'm going to click OK. Alright, maybe a little bit of rounding that we need. So remember, it's modify and fillet is the one we want, and then select all the areas. Okay, only a tiny bit we're going to do. And we'll do the tops of these as well. Alright, and then I might try 1mm to start off with. Yeah, 1mm is good. Alright, I like that. Okay, cool. Right, so the last thing we need to do, okay, is the actual shell feature. Okay, so the shell feature is going to hollow this out here. So I'm going to click on the base. I'm going to go to the modify, and then we're going to go to shell. Okay, and then for the shell feature, I'm going to probably say 2mm for the shell. Yeah, 2mm looks good. Okay, so now we have our Lego brick there. Okay, cool.